Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Volume Profile in Thinkorswim. Volume Profile is a powerful charting tool that reveals the distribution of trading volume across different price levels. It helps you visualize where the most buying and selling activity occurred, providing a clearer picture than traditional volume bars. We will cover adding it to your charts, understanding its key components, and applying it to your trading strategies for better decision-making. Let's dive into the core components of Volume Profile. The point of control, or POC, is the single price level where the most volume was traded, acting as a magnet for price. The value area, typically encompassing 70% of the total volume, indicates the fair value zone. High volume nodes suggest strong support or resistance, while low volume nodes often represent areas of quick price movement or weak interest. Understanding these elements is crucial for effective analysis. Now, let's explore how to apply Volume Profile in your trading. The point of control and high volume nodes serve as excellent indicators for potential support and resistance. When price approaches these levels, watch for reactions. Conversely, low volume nodes often represent areas of imbalance where price can move rapidly through. Observing how price interacts with the value area can also provide valuable insights into market sentiment and potential reversals or continuations. To maximize Volume Profile's utility, customize its settings. You can adjust the number of rows to change the granularity of the volume distribution from 20 to 200 rows or more. Experiment with various timeframes, such as daily, weekly, or even intraday, to align with your trading strategy. Remember, Volume Profile is a powerful tool, but it's best used in conjunction with other indicators and your overall market analysis for comprehensive insights.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.